I just finished Google's official prompt engineering course. And honestly, most people are using AI completely wrong. So instead of wasting 6+ hours, I'm breaking down the exact system Google teaches, in a way you can apply in minutes. This isn't hype. This is the same framework Google uses internally to get consistent, high-quality results from AI models like Gemini. And once you understand it, tools like ChatGPT or Gemini stop feeling random and start feeling powerful. Google doesn't treat prompting like typing questions. They treat it like giving instructions to a smart intern. And everything revolves around 5 principles: task, context, examples, review, improve. Let me show you how this actually works in real life. Most prompts fail because the task is vague. Bad prompt: help me write a post. Good prompt: write a LinkedIn post announcing a product update focused on time-saving benefits under 150 words. Google teaches that the task should describe the exact outcome, not the topic. Now here's a power move. Add a role plus output format. Same topic, totally different result. A, I guess, is when you don't explain. Let's say you want ad copy. Without context, the output sounds generic. With context, it gets sharp. Example: my product is a budgeting app for college students. Audience: 18 to 24, big problem. Impulsive spending. Tone: friendly, not preachy. Now the AI knows who it's talking to, what they care about, and how to sound. Google repeats this over and over. More context equals less randomness. This is where most people completely miss out. If you want a certain style, don't describe it. Show it. Paste. A great email, a viral tweet, a winning landing page. Then say, create a new version following the same style and structure. This instantly upgrades output quality because the model now has a clear target. Never treat the first AI response as final. Google warns against one-shot prompting. AI often sounds confident, even when the information is incomplete or incorrect. Always pause and check whether the output truly matches your task, uses the right tone, and includes everything you ask for. Think of AI as a fast draft creator. You are the editor responsible for quality and accuracy. If the result isn't right, don't start over, adjust. Google suggests a few fixes. Split instructions into steps. Add constraints, word count, format, rules. Change the framing. Example: instead of "give me business ideas," try "list 5 online business ideas under $500 startup cost, suitable for beginners, with 1 risk per idea." Constraints create clarity. If the output isn't perfect, don't scrap it. Tighten the constraints. Add a rule, change the angle. Each tweak is an iteration, and every iteration gets you closer to exactly what you want. Prompting isn't asking once, it's adjusting until it clicks. Multimodal prompting. Modern models don't just read text. You can upload images, videos, audio, PDFs, screenshots. Example: upload a website screenshot and say, "Analyze this homepage. Identify where users might get confused and suggest layout improvements." That's how professionals actually use AI. Once the model sees the image, document, or audio, that context stays active, which means you can refine, adjust, and build on the same understanding instead of starting from scratch. Multimodal prompting creates a shared point of reference. The model isn't guessing what you mean or relying on abstract descriptions. It's working from the exact same input you're looking at. That changes how you prompt. The limitations. Google is very honest about this part. AI can hallucinate facts, repeat biases from training data. So never blindly trust output, especially numbers, names, or logic-heavy answers. Human judgment stays in the loop. Let's say you're a freelancer. Instead of rewriting proposals every time, you build one master prompt. Act as a freelance UX designer. Write a proposal for a new client that includes timeline, deliverables, and next steps. Tone, confident and collaborative. Length, under 300 words. One prompt, reusable forever. It becomes a system, not a one-off request. You reuse the structure, adjust the inputs, and keep the quality consistent every time. Instead of rewriting from scratch, you refine. Instead of guessing the tone, you lock it in. The prompt does the heavy lifting. You just change the context. Big projects shouldn't be one giant prompt. Break them into steps. Example 1. Generate video ideas. 2. Pick the best one. 3. Write a hook. 4. Create an outline. 5. Write the script. Each output feeds the next. This is how you get structured, high-quality results.